Here is your 1,000-word rewritten article about Prince William stepping in to support farmers and raise awareness of rural mental health issues, written clearly and without any reference citations. Prince William has once again used his influence and position to champion an important cause affecting rural communities across the United Kingdom. In a powerful show of support for farmers and their well-being, the Prince of Wales recently donated a significant sum of money to a farming fundraiser and personally encouraged those involved in a major awareness campaign centered on mental health in the agricultural sector. His actions reflect a deep and ongoing commitment to addressing the unique challenges faced by people who work the land, a community that often struggles quietly with issues of isolation, stress, financial pressure, and emotional well-being. The initiative at the heart of this latest effort is spearheaded by a sheep farmer named Sam Stables, who has embarked on a remarkable journey to raise awareness about mental health within rural communities. Sam, based in Herefordshire in Western England, founded a charity called We Are Farming Minds with a mission of reducing stigma around mental health issues among farmers and providing tangible support where it's most needed. The work of his organization includes offering free counseling services, running a 24-hour support line, organizing training programs, and creating community events where farmers and their families can connect, share experiences, and feel less alone in facing life's challenges. To draw attention to this cause and to raise funds that can help expand support services, Sam began walking a demanding 142-mile route from his home in Ross-on-Wye to London. Each day, he covers around 30 miles on foot, passing through towns and countryside as he heads toward the capital. The walk is both symbolic and practical. It highlights a long and often difficult journey many farmers face in seeking help and understanding, while also bringing the conversation about rural mental health into the public eye. Prince William, who serves as patron of We Are Farming Minds, has backed this walk with both encouragement and financial support. In a personal message of support sent to Sam, the Prince wrote warmly, telling him to keep going and praising the amazing job he is doing in drawing attention to such an important issue. More tangibly, the Prince of Wales donated £5,000 to Sam's fundraising effort, a generous contribution that not only provides financial assistance but also signals high-level recognition of the struggles farmers endure and the need for continued support. Sam expressed that he was absolutely over the moon upon hearing the news of the donation and shared his excitement with followers on social media as he continued his walk. This was not the first time Prince William had interacted with Sam or engaged directly with the farming community on this topic. Earlier, while visiting Herefordshire, he met with Sam and discussed the pressures that farm workers face daily. That visit also included meetings with other local farmers, where conversations focus on the emotional challenges of agricultural life, from long hours and unpredictable incomes to the isolation that can develop when working in remote areas. The Prince's interest went beyond simply offering his presence. He actively listened to personal stories and showed genuine empathy for the realities of rural living. In addition to his support for Sam's awareness walk, Prince William has been hands-on in his approach to understanding farming life and promoting mental health awareness. During a visit to a family farm in Herefordshire, he took part in everyday farm tasks alongside local farmers. Whether pruning apple trees, building boundary fences, or feeding sheep, the Prince immersed himself in farm life and demonstrated that he values the work and resilience of those who sustain the countryside and contribute to the nation's food supply. These moments of shared work also opened up opportunities for more personal conversations about the emotional pressures that come with agricultural responsibilities. For some farmers, the stresses are deeply intertwined with personal histories and the weight of responsibility passed down through generations. One farmer the Prince met took over his family's property unexpectedly at a young age after his father's death, a situation that brought both emotional and practical hardships. Instances like this underscore why mental health support is so crucial in agriculture. Many farmers inherit not only land but also a legacy of duty, often without an established support system to help them cope when the pressures mount. Beyond individual interactions, Prince William's patronage of We Are Farming Minds symbolizes a broader effort to destigmatize conversations about mental health among people who may be reluctant to seek help. Farming communities are often deeply self-reliant, valuing resilience and independence. Yet these qualities can sometimes make it harder for individuals to admit when they are struggling or to access the assistance they need. Initiatives like Sam's Walk and the services offered by his charity aim to create spaces where mental well-being is openly discussed, resources are readily available, and individuals feel supported rather than judged. The walk from Herefordshire to London also serves as a reminder of the physical and emotional distances farmers often traverse in their daily lives. Walking through towns, countryside, and small villages, Sam embodies a persistence and stamina that many farmers demonstrate year after year. At the same time, by choosing such a visible and ambitious challenge, he ensures that conversations about rural mental health extend beyond local communities and reach national and even international audiences. Prince William's public backing helps amplify this message. As a senior member of the British royal family and heir to the throne, his engagement brings added visibility and encourages broader public engagement with an issue that might otherwise remain under-recognized. His contribution, both financial and personal, reflect a thoughtful and compassionate approach to advocacy, one that acknowledges the lived experiences of individuals and seeks to uplift communities through practical support and meaningful conversation. The financial contribution of £5,000 may in itself be significant to Sam's fundraising efforts, but the symbolic value of that support is equally important. It underscores that rural mental health is not a niche concern but a matter worthy of attention at the highest levels. By aligning himself with the cause, Prince William helps to bridge the gap between rural communities and the wider public discourse on mental well-being, encouraging others to pay attention, offer support, and foster a deeper understanding of the pressures farmers face. As Sam continues his walk toward London, the momentum of his journey and Prince William's involvement will likely inspire more people to learn about rural mental health issues and to support the resources designed to address them. While much work remains to be done, the combination of grassroots activism and high-profile backing creates a powerful platform for change, one that honors the dignity of farming life and champions the emotional and psychological well-being of those who are an essential part of the countryside and the nation.